Common is the superhero identity of high school student Peter Parker win. Peter Parker is not nailed and not real. Hello friend, I'm Neo. Support the Marvel Amazing Powers. Wow, you can. I bought and the girls in the mall. Okay, Papa, give it to me. Only 200 rupees. It's in the Chatham Marvel Spider-Man. Black Window. Chatham America Ant-Man. Okay. Let's check it what inside in the book.
Quickly.
Okay, first read this. Okay, the Spider-Man, Hockey, the Hulk, Vision, Black Panther, Ant-Man, Webs, the Avengers, Chatham America, Iron Man, Black Widow, wow, Thor, Nemo, Loki, wow, Thanos, Chatham Marvel. Wow. This is the old man, this is the Thor, this is the Hockey, this is Hulk, this is Black Widow, this is Chatham America. Wow. Now, wow, the Spider-Man. Wow, the Hockey. Wow, the Hulk. Wow, the winners. Wow. Wow, the dot load. Good. Catch. Rocket gone. Gamble. Wow, I like it. Black Panther. Okay. The Ant-Man. Wow. Wow, the Webs. Wow, the Avengers. Wow, a Chatham America. Wow, All Man. Wow. Oh, Black Widow. Wow, Thor. Wow, Nemo. Loki. Wow, all. I like this book. Thanos. Thank you for subscribe my channel. Okay, one last video. Return who is the most powerful of all. On Black Widow.